Welcome back, guys. Today we are starting a brand new project, and I'm excited to take you along from the beginning to the end. Right here, this empty land will soon become a 5-bedroom semi-detached duplex. But every great building starts with proper setting out, getting the measurements and positioning right before construction begins. After setting out, the next step is excavation. This is where the real work begins, because we have to dig down to the right depth for a strong foundation. No shortcuts here. The strength of any building starts from the ground, and if the foundation is weak, the whole structure is at risk. Now we are laying the footing, and this is where the structure starts taking shape. The footing helps distribute the weight of the building evenly into the ground. You can also see the reinforcement and columns coming in. These are the key support systems that will keep the building stable and strong. The walls are coming up now, and you can finally start seeing the building form physically. We are building up to GPC level, which helps protect the structure from moisture coming up from the ground and affecting the walls. And that is it for the first phase of this project, from setting out to excavation, footing, block work. We've laid the foundation successfully. In the next video, I will show you the German floor process. Make sure you follow the journey as we bring this dream home to reality. At Umek, we turn your dream home into a reality. See you at the next video.